Some man standing over a dead dog by the highway in the ditch. He's looking down, kind of puzzled, keeps poking that dog with a stick. He's got his door flung open out on Highway 31. Like if he stood there long enough, that dog get up and run. Well, it struck me kind of funny, some kind of funny, yes indeed, how at the end of every hard-earned day people find some reason to believe. Love Johnny with a love mean and true. Said I'll work for you every day and I'll bring all my money home to you. One day up and left her, and ever since that she waits down at the end of that driveway for sweet Johnny to come back. Well, it struck me kind of funny, some kind of funny, yes indeed, how at the end of every hard-earned day people find some reason to believe. Please continue, Gabe. Well, it struck me kind of funny, yes indeed, how at the end of every hard-earned day people find some reason to believe. Still at the end of every hard-earned day people find some reason to believe. Thank you all so much for being here tonight. Really appreciate it. We're Cattle Call. Jimmy McGirr on bass, John Davison on drums, Gabe Tonon on guitar, and I'm Mark Farrington. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.